Hey, Jacob here from ABC. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at our new Triple Crown Silver TRAD pole. It's a pole that brings the benefits from the WaterFed world into your traditional pole work. In this video, you're going to hear from me as well as the actual experiences of real window cleaners. So, let's take a look.
The best thing about it is that it's a WaterFed pole. So most of my WaterFed poles are 25 foot or more. And if I have a short building, but I just run and use WaterFed on it, here's a nice lightweight one I can easily convert to WaterFed. So it's like an extra tool in my toolbox.
Now the biggest benefit of WaterFed poles over traditional poles is that they are lighter and stiffer. So this pole, instead of being made out of aluminum, is a combination of glass fiber and carbon fiber. So it's going to outperform and be far lighter than your traditional aluminum extension poles.
Gotta say, super impressed with the pole. Really lightweight. It's a miniature version essentially of a WaterFed pole. Feels really good, the fitment in your hand. Also set up with a pass-through so that you can use it as a WaterFed pole. Very impressed. It's not going to be my last Triple Crown product.
Now another benefit of this pole compared to traditional is the collars. With your typical traditional pole, you have twist collars that you have to twist to unlock and relock your sections in place. If you've over-tightened or it's cold out, they can be difficult to work with. This pole has collars that are simple levers, so you can easily unlock, relock, and there's no way for you to over-tighten, and it's not going to be affected by the weather. So that was a little bit about the new silver TRAD pole. Special thanks to our contributors, Bulldog Window Cleaning, Window Ninja, Clean Habits, and Gabe Spotless. If you have any questions about the pole, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.